Okay, so here's the problem you sent. And so you mentioned you already know the amplitude, which is good, and you know the period, which is good. Now the phase shift on this, I can see why you thought it was pi over 2, but we didn't get to this point in class on Wednesday, or Tuesday. But if there's a number with the x, the best thing to do to figure out the phase shift, the easiest thing to do is set that equal to 0 and solve it, and that'll tell you the phase shift. So you have to take 4x minus pi over 2, and we'll set that equal to 0. So we'll start by adding pi over 2 to both sides. And so that'll give us 4x equals pi over 2. And then you could divide by 4 or basically just multiply by a fourth. That'll probably be easier. We'll multiply by 1/4. So then you'll get x equals pi over 8. And so that's actually the phase. That's going to be the phase shift for this. So now that we know that, I'm going to go to the problem. Here we are. Click on it. Cosine graph, and just click there and it shows up. As you mentioned earlier, the amplitude's 3. The period was pi over 2, which should be right there. Now, there is a reflection, by the way, because of the negative with the 3 in front of the cosine. That's going to cause all your y values to flip-flop. So that would be a reflection across the x-axis. And then the phase shift is going to be pi divided by 8. Go ahead and do that. There we go. Go ahead and save that. And let's go ahead and check it. And looks good. All right. I hope that helps.